In today's competitive job market, a high school diploma is no longer enough to secure a good job. Employers are seeking more than just academic qualifications. They're looking for candidates who possess a valuable skill set that goes beyond technical knowledge. One skill that has become increasingly important for job seekers, especially young high school graduates, is emotional intelligence. Now, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So what is emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage one's emotions effectively, as well as being aware of the emotions of others. It consists of several key components: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. These qualities are highly valued by employers because they contribute to the positive work environment, better teamwork, and increased productivity. So here is what one HR expert had to say. When we hire young high school graduates, we look for candidates who not only possess technical skills, but also demonstrate emotional intelligence. It helps them adapt to the workplace culture, collaborate effectively, and handle conflicts professionally. Emotional intelligence allows young high school graduates to navigate workplace challenges more effectively. So if you're a young high school graduate looking to stand out in the job market, remember that emotional intelligence is a skill that can set you apart from the competition. Develop your emotional intelligence and watch doors of opportunity open. So do you want to learn more about emotional intelligence? Stay tuned, because in our next video, we will discuss how you can grow your self-awareness, knowing your strengths, weaknesses, and emotions. So we are CDH Education, Inc., and we offer you skills for success. Please contact us at cdheducationinc.org. And remember, please like, comment, and subscribe.